you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools.
Hey guys, and we're back with another Face Awards video. This is the top 20 challenge, so let's get started. First, I'm going to grab the NYX lip oil to hydrate my lips. Then moving on to priming with the NYX Hydro Touch. I want to glow today, so next I'll be grabbing the NYX Away We Glow Strobing Cream. And for even more glow, then using the NYX Finishing Dewy Setting Spray to prime. Now moving on to brows, I'm going to use the NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade, and as I go, I like to carve out my brows, give the shape that I want, go back with my brush, and keep carving them out. For foundation, I'm using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, mixing two shades, the lightest one on my high points and the darkest one on my contours. And then blending it out with a beauty sponge. Then grabbing the NYX Cream Contour Palette, taking the salmon shade to color correct. Then using the NYX HD Concealer to highlight my face. And then I'm going to be setting it with translucent powder, all the areas where I put concealer. To prime my eyes, I'll be using that same NYX HD Concealer. And now I'm setting it with translucent powder. Taking the I Love You So Mochi palette, I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone. Then I'll be taking the Los Angeles kit and putting that shadow on my crease and taking it outwards as a cut crease. Then taking the Ultimates palette, I'm going to be grabbing that brown shade and deepening up that crease. And now with black eyeshadow, deepening it more. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease, and I like to tap on my eyeball as I go and then follow through. Once my crease is filled in, set it with translucent powder. Then grabbing tweezers and applying little diamonds on that cut crease. Be patient with this, guys. Then I'm going to be doing a wing, sketching it out with gel liner, and then filling it out with the Epic Ink liner. Grabbing the Control Freak eyebrow gel to set my brows in place, and then the Worth the Hype mascara for my lashes. And bam, I have a glam look. Then I'm going to be moving on to my face to contour with the NYX Contour Palette, contouring my cheekbones and face. Moving on to highlighting and then applying blush with the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. Applying silver shadow to my lower lash line, then taking the NYX Crystal Aligner in the silver color, applying it on top of that, and then taking the Suede Lip Liner in the shade Kitten Heels, and then the Kitten Heels Liquid Suede Lippy, and on the corners of my lips, taking the NYX Liquid Suede Sherry Skies to give my lips more dimension. Then I'll be setting my face with the same dewy spray we used in the beginning. And that's it for my glam look. So now let's move on to the fun part, the diamond concealed girl. So I'm going to be priming my face with the NYX Hydro Touch primer. Then moving on to making my brows go away. And I'm going to be brushing them up, going in whimper wiper motions with my glue, then with a spoolie pulling them upwards, and with a spoon flatten them the most possible. And then I'm going to be drying them with a blow dryer, and I did about 6 layers of that. Then grabbing sponge and tapping setting powder to set that. Then grabbing the NYX SFX paint in silver and applying that all over my face. I found it was best to tap it. Then contouring my face with the I Love You So Mochi palette, the black shade. Grabbing a precise brush and then blending it with a bigger one. Then I'll be highlighting the high points of my face. And I'm going to be doing a very graphic winged liner, taking my whole eye up to my crease. And after I do that, I'm going to be extending the inner corner of my eyes. Now taking the NYX Epic Ink Liner and lining my eyes again to give it more darkness. And then with black gel liner, filling that in. Taking the Mochi palette, the black shade, and applying it to the center of my eyes. Then grabbing gemstones, big ones, medium ones, and smaller ones, and deciding my pattern as I go. I put the bigger ones in the front, the smaller ones in the outer corners, and even more smaller ones in the inner corner. And I did that all surrounding my eyes. Then I grabbed more gemstones and put it all over my face, but separating them as I go. You want the diamonds to fade. Taking the Worthy Hype mascara and then applying the NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk to my waterline. I took a black cardboard and cut out some very big 3D lashes to give my look a little bit of more dimension because I felt that something was missing. So I took 3 big ones applied to the top of my lashes and 3 smaller ones to the bottom lashes. Taking this Suede lip liner in Kitten Heels and lining my lips, then grabbing the Kitten Heels Liquid Suede Lippy, and then on top of that applying Red Craft glitter. Yet again, I felt like my look needed more dimension to it. Then grabbing the SFX paint in silver and painting my body. And then I'm going to be moving on to highlighting and contouring my body. This is my look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my little glam look in Diamond Girl. Don't forget to vote for me for the next round. I'll be putting the link and every information down below. So wish me luck, guys, and I hope you support me. Love you and see you on the next one.
As the leaves start